Hi, Parashan here, and in today's training, we are going to cover a chapter from my best-selling book called The 72 Amazing Ways to Internet Profits. Now, this cover is the first edition. We have already released the second edition where you can get it if you want to, but that's not the point. I just want you to know that this is the old cover, but the chapters here is still the same one that we have in the second edition, and it's called How to Pick a Product to Resell Online. Now, on the internet, there's another opportunity how you can build a business or simply just to make money online, which is none other than to buy other people's products with resale rights, where it allows you to sell and keep 100% profit. So you can do it to just say make quick income, so to speak, where you buy someone else's product for whatever price is for the resale rights, which allows you to go and sell the products to your own customers, right? And by doing that, the advantage is that you're using the seller's brand or the original product creator's brand. You can also use that to build a business, because whenever you sell the resale products, right, you get to keep the customer base. And if you have your own customers, then it means that you're building a real business, because later on when you have your own product, you can always, well, sell to your own customers in that sense. So in this chapter here, there are, let me count how many, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 main important factors, or should I call great tips, in order for you to choose the right resale rights to buy or to acquire before you go out and sell it. So the first one is, who is the creator, right? So when you buy the resale rights, the other key point that you want to look into is that, are you able to tap on the product creator's brand? So like for instance, let's say who is your favorite author? I don't know who's your favorite author. I'm just going to choose one person, okay? Let's say Think and Grow Rich, right? Let's say there's a home course study of Think and Grow Rich created by Napoleon Hill, right? And he sells resale rights. And I want to buy the resale rights of that entire home course and sell, because now I get to use Napoleon Hill's brand, the product's owner brand, and that will help me to sell much more easier than buy a product with resale rights where the product creator is nobody in that sense. The next one is, what are the terms and conditions of selling it? So when you buy a resale rights product, it always comes with terms and conditions, what you can do and what you cannot do. Now, most of the time, people would think that you look for terms and conditions that it's very so-called convenient for them to make money. But what I will also be looking for is the terms and conditions that can protect me as a resale rights owner. This is what I mean. Let's say the terms and conditions is very loose. Let's say it says that this product can also be given away for free. So to me, that's bad news. To me, that is not a resale rights product that I want to acquire if I want to sell, because this is the internet, right? Let's say you own resale rights towards this book, right? And let's say I say that whoever who owns the resale rights of this book can also give it away for free on the internet, and you own the resale rights. Now, it's going to be very challenging for you to sell, because there will be other resale rights owners who start giving you away for free to acquire leads, to add value to their own subscribers, their own website visitors, whatever the reasons are. But your purpose is to make money. Your purpose is to sell the product. And it's the internet where your prospect, right, could easily go to the internet and search for the 72 amazing ways to internet profits. And your prospect saw, hey, you know what? I could actually get this book for free. Why would I want to buy from you? So now the terms and conditions is actually against you rather than helping you to make money with it. So make sure that you read through the terms and conditions carefully to make sure that it's suitable for you. The next one, point number 3, is what is the minimum selling price? Minimum price for you to sell. So if the product owner who extend the license, the resale rights, did not make this rule, it means that some other resale rights owners could sell for $5. And let's say you purchase this resale rights for say $500, right? And you want to sell $100 for it, so that you're thinking that if I sell 5 units, I will have covered my cost and I could start make money fast, right? But then some guy is selling for $5. So now you have to sell 100 units in order for you to break even, and that is quite far-fetched in that sense, right? So you want to see what is the minimum selling price, and then you work it out in your business. Is this something suitable for you? Now, I'm not saying that low price is not good. I'm also not saying that high price is good. I'm saying that does the price fits you? Does the price becomes an advantage for you to build the business? Because sometimes you want it to be low price because perhaps you have a secondary resale rights products where after they buy this, then they get to buy another product at a higher price. You see where I'm coming from? So you have to understand your own business model. Point number 4 is that when were the resale rights made available for purchase? So you saw a website say that, hey, they're selling the license to the product. So you can buy the resale rights so that you can sell the product and keep 100% profit. But then, when this offer has been extended, so obviously, if this offer has been extended, say, for years ago, then don't buy, because the market may have already been saturated. But you may be thinking that, but how can the market be so saturated? It's the internet. Well, that's the reason why it will be saturated. Because sometimes you just go on Google, inside Google, and search for the product's name, and other resale rights owners' webpage will probably come out. And now the same customer have 100 websites to choose from who they should want to buy from, right? So the tip here, the main takeaway is that the newer this offer being presented, the better it is. So this is how I usually work. I usually will only buy products with rights within 30 days or so. Anything above that, to me, I would actually think twice. All right. Point number 5 is, does the product complement to your existing business or product? So this is like one of the most important point of all. Otherwise, you'll be wasting money buying the resale rights. And I can tell you that I've personally done this mistake. Like for instance, I saw a very good offer. I think it was purchasing the resale rights towards a forex trading course, right? So I thought, hey, I'm going to make so much money with this because this product sells for $997 in the past, and I was able to acquire the rights. I can't remember, maybe $200 or $300. So I was thinking that, it's a no-brainer. I'm going to make money with this. So I purchased the rights, right? But the thing is that it doesn't complement with my own business. Then when I got the product, I can sell. But I was thinking, should I sell to my own audience? Because my audience are into personal development and also internet marketing. No, I could do that, I could get a few sales perhaps, but if I do that, that may have jeopardized my own brand. It's like, what is this guy doing? I thought he's doing internet marketing, or is he doing forex trading right now, right? So if I don't sell to my own audience, I need to create my own marketing system. I need to, when I use the word create my own marketing system, it means that I need to generate my own leads, I need to run ads and all this kind of stuff, right? Usually resale rights comes with a web page, the sales letter that you can start instantly. So after a deep thought about it, not that deep actually, I was just like, this is not working. I didn't do anything with it, so it's just waste of money. There's no refund rates. No, there's no refunds, not refund rate, because it's a resale rights product. It's a product where I get a license, so there's no refunds if I'm not mistaken. It's not like a cost. It's an opportunity. It's a business that I'm acquiring in that sense, the license. So do not get into the resale rights products if it doesn't complement your existing business. What is your business? What niche that you're in? What audience that you have? If it doesn't, then there's not much point, right? Now, as I was sharing with you that in my training, I want to add additional points or tips into my existing best-selling books that were not available in the original copy. And obviously this is all published, so I cannot go inside and edit and send it to you. So this is why I'm doing this foresight, right? So there's an additional tip that I want to share with you on this topic. Apart from resell rights, the other opportunity is called private label rights. So I did talk about private label rights in the book years ago when I wrote the best-selling book. But private label rights allows you to have the opportunity where when you acquire the rights with private label rights, you can actually edit the content of the resell rights products. So which means that you can edit to put in your own content, change the content that you don't like. But the most powerful part is that you can actually change the product owner's name. Now with this exemption, right, remember the first rule I mentioned that you're looking for resell rights with wanting to know who is the creator of the product that you want to write on the brand. With private label rights, you don't need that. With private label rights, you can remove the author's name and put your name inside and you become the creator of the product. So with that in mind, you have now opened up a huge opportunity, a huge new market, because now you do not need to be concerned of who is the product creator, right? And because of that, there are some private label rights products that are offered at a low price because it's by non-famous product creator. And you could go ahead and acquire all these private label rights and put it together, and they can combine the products. Like you can buy private label rights 1, private label rights 2, private label rights 3, put it all together, and now you have a brand new course and put your name to it, and voila, within a week you could have launched your own book, your own course, and so on by tapping on private label rights opportunity. Right, so I hope that you have learned some goodies in today's foresight based on the 72 Amazing Ways to Internet Profits book, my very first best-selling book that I authored way back in, I think, 2011 or 2012. Can't remember, it's so long ago, right? Anyway, I hope you like it, and feel free to leave your comments, your feedbacks, and so on at the comment box so that I know what's going on, right? And of course, feel free to like this post. I will see you in the future, and I read every single comments that you put.